Here I have IBERRY Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to enter here the factory test mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys and release them as soon as Auxus logo pops up. Let's wait until the factory test mode pops up. And this is the factory test mode. As you can see, the whole menu is in Chinese. Here you can perform the auto test, the item test and other stuff. You can also here perform the hard reset operation by choosing clear eMMC. As you can see here, you can navigate by using volume down, and you can confirm options by pressing power key. So if you would like to quit the factory Chinese mode, let's use the last option and press power key to reboot system. Right now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. And that's it, the home screen pops up, so it means that everything went well. Now you can use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.